So my name is Gennaro Polak. I work for Picnic for 3 years almost. I'm a part of the planning team as a supervisor. We make sure that operations run smoothly.
You can imagine that there's quite a bit of incident handling necessary to keep that alive. I'm Daniel, CTO of Picnic, an Amsterdam-based scale-up with a very simple mission to make grocery shopping simple, fun and affordable.
So my name is Mark Marschner. I've been with Picnic for the last 10 years and I'm currently working as the domain lead for operations, which covers all our tech operations, so infrastructure, networking and similar.
I'm Paulo, working at Picnic for 4 years. I'm a tech analyst where we run strategic projects across tech.
Incident management is for us an opportunity to learn, to improve our systems and to also optimize our processes around handling these kind of challenges.
So Picnic is a hybrid business, which means we have a digital foundation, but we operate a physical business. So there's all kind of trucks are going around, there's warehouses, there's foods moving around, etc. Which means we need to combine physical reliability with digital reliability. In order to make that sure that we have a good quality to customers, we need simply a reliable incident management.
Having a good cooperation between the tech teams and the business teams in incidents for us is vital. In many cases, or in most cases, a tech incident will not just remain in tech, but will also have repercussions on our operational side or our commercial side.
It can be a real big rollover if incidents are not solved on time.
Running tech, especially in such a hybrid business, is a very complex business. And we have put a lot of effort over the last years to really understand how can we reliably run our supply chain, how we can reliably serve millions of customers, and where we're looking for actually a tool and an entire environment that allows us to operate in a reliable way.
So we did have an on-call solution, but this was disconnected from our incident tool. So all the incidents were created manually. At Picnic, teams also started to develop their own tools or their own Slack workflows because they were not happy with the tool, they wanted to see different features.
So a couple of years back, we actually focused on developer experience. After we have figured out how to build the systems, we were focusing on how to run in a reliable, stable way systems, which means for us mainly 3 things. How do we handle incidents, how do we learn from incidents, and how do we prevent in the future incidents?
We fully deployed Incident.io across all the tech teams, and we even have some operational teams using it, and now also the first business teams using it. So it fully replaced our own internal tool, but also we use on-call. So that replaced PagerDuty for us. So now there's also a direct connection between the incidents being created, the escalations, and also the alerts coming in into Incident.io.
So if we have one incident that's really impacting us, we make an incident. And from the incident we are involving tech, maybe LTS, that's an engineering side, to see, okay, what is really the issue. With the 3 of us, we are looking for the right solutions. When we're not fully operational, then we use the Incident.io and involve everybody to solve the incident.
I would say the rolling out was very smooth. We basically onboarded one team, let's say, every week. So it took us in total 2 quarters where we just fully onboarded tech. So the only thing that changed was basically the tool that they use. And there we made it as easy as possible, where we also built sort of a redirection from our initial tool directly to Incident.io to really make sort of transition as easy as possible.
So basically we went through 3 major phases. In the first one we saw that actually incident handling went faster, more reliable, and actually we could handle incidents with more confidence.
We now have a complete overview of all the incidents that are going on.
Number 2 is actually the number of incidents reduced. Also the handling and the reliability of mitigation of incident impact improved.
The post-incident flow we try to automate it as much as possible, and this also really helped with the experience because especially the developers never really like to write the incident report or do sort of like do the follow-up tickets, which are crucial for us also to learn from the incident.
And we can already see the benefits of this. So we have a higher adoption and a faster execution.
Yeah, I would definitely say Incident.io is making it much easier to have the incidents solved and have the incident in one overview.
We're now moving to a level where we are building up structural technical resilience, meaning whenever there's an incident is happening, there's no longer customers affected. And that is basically the ultimate end goal that we are striving for.